Fine, fine. You caught me, alright? This is what I do when I sit up. I turn on my mic and put the light on. That's what I do. Alright? That was really awkward. Skinty intro. You still here? Go, come on. Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video, or should I say, welcome back to quality TV, if you know what that means. I hope you do. I hope you guys like the new intro, my new intro word, I should say, because I'm trying to change them up a little bit. You know what I mean, right? Yeah, I'm trying to change up a little bit, guys, because I've been watching all my videos lately, and I'm trying to, because I've been seeing a lack of personality, I should say, because I want to try to be more vibrant, more excited to do these YouTube videos rather than just be like, hey, welcome back to my YouTube video. I'm cool. Yeah, guys, I just want to do that, you know, just to like be more vibrant, give you more excitement, and also try to be funny. I'm not funny. Yeah, guys, I'm just trying to, you know, just try to spread the excitement, you know, and I just wasted like 1 minute of my time just saying all those words. Oh, great. But let's get into the video, guys. So this video, unfortunately, it's not an unboxing again. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It's just gonna be a normal video, I should say. You might be wondering what the video about. Well, the video is gonna be about, you know, how my quality of video is not that great, right? Don't make fun of me, please. But you know how my quality is not that good, right? I want to upgrade it like really bad. You might think I have something to unbox right now. I think I'm trolling you guys, but I'm not. You think I have something here, right? But the answer is no, I don't. I wish I did. I wish I had some kind of form of different camera rather than using my phone. I wish I did. Yeah, I'm talking about my video quality. I hope to upgrade it very soon, like very, very soon, hopefully. When I say hopefully, I mean hopefully. Who knows when that is? The specific cameras I would like to have would be either a GoPro, a Canon camera, or a Sony camera. And the camera I want the most would have to be the GoPro. Yeah. I'm a GoPro fan.
Are you sure about that?
Even though I don't have one. Yeah, I mean, I would like to have GoPro because GoPro is like easy and it's really accessible, and it's, you know, I can take it anywhere I go pretty much. Vlogging myself is actually involving going outside, but which I probably won't ever really do, but you know, you never know. Probably won't. I know you guys been really wanting to have good quality, good video quality in my videos, and I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm still doing it. I can improve my video quality, and hopefully I can do that soon. The thing is, I have the money for it. I just spent a lot on my videos. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. I hope to get one of those cameras soon. Hopefully a GoPro, either a GoPro Hero 8 or 7 will be fine with me. But any camera will be pretty good as long as it can do better than my crappy phone. Sorry, phone. Yeah, I just really hope to improve my quality. So hopefully that can happen soon. That's definitely my next upgrade. Hopefully, I don't know when that is. Hopefully soon. Hope you guys like the new me, kind of, I should say, because my parents actually watch my videos and they noticed that like I'm not really excited for my videos, I should say, which is weird because I love making videos and I'm not excited. I don't think that goes together. That's gonna change. I'm gonna start being more excited. Heads up though, guys, my next 4 videos, because this video is kind of in the past, in the future. Like I'm gonna probably make this video and post it the next day. And then my next 4 videos were in the past, and that was the old me. So I'm sorry, guys. You're gonna get the lame me for 4 more videos. I'm pretty sorry. Yeah, guys, I hope you like this new me, kind of. I don't know why I'm saying new me, because I'm the same. I'm just trying to be more excited. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope to be back with another video soon. And catch you guys later. Peace.